Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how you can make a bar chart for your documents, spreadsheets and tables on Google Sheets without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So guys, let's say you have a table like that one here. All you will need to do is mark the entire table with all its columns, rows and values. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, once your table or your spreadsheet has been marked, what you want to do is head over to Insert here at the top and select Chart from the drop-down menu. This is going to open up that customization panel on the right-hand side, the chart editor. So here, under Chart Type, simply select your preferred chart type, which in this case it would be a bar or column chart. So let me go, for example, with standard bar chart like that one here, and that is going to convert your table into a bar chart. Now you may, for example, adjust its size and position, move it around here, and that's it. That's how you create a bar chart. That's how you create a bar chart in Google Sheets. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.